the brand new iOS 26, and put all its features to the test. Can I discover them all in just one day? iOS 26 is finally here, and it's packed with exciting updates that are going to change the way you interact with your iPhone. From performance enhancements to new features, this update is all about refining the user experience. For years, iOS users have been complaining about battery life issues, bugs, and the lack of customization options. These problems made using an iPhone a frustrating experience for many. One of the major concerns was the slow performance of older iPhone models, which made everyday tasks feel like a chore. The previous versions also lacked advanced security features, leaving users vulnerable to potential threats. Moreover, users were clamoring for more personalization, options to make their iPhone feel truly their own. So, what does iOS 26 bring to the table? For starters, Apple has focused on improving performance, ensuring that even older iPhone models can run smoothly. The new update also includes a revamped notification system that's designed to be less intrusive, helping you stay focused on what matters. Security has been a major priority, with enhanced encryption and new biometric authentication methods. Additionally, iOS 26 offers more customization options than ever before, allowing you to personalize your home screen like never before. But what really caught my attention is the new AI-powered assistant feature. This intelligent assistant can learn your habits and adapt to your needs, making it easier to manage your daily tasks. Imagine being able to schedule appointments, send messages, and even make calls without lifting a finger. The potential for this feature to revolutionize the way we interact with our iPhones is huge. As users start to explore this feature, I believe it will become an indispensable part of their daily routine. In a nutshell, iOS 26 is all about enhancing your iPhone experience with smarter features, better performance, and more control over your device. So, which new feature in iOS 26 excites you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates and challenges like this one.